You need to hear this if you're curious about the weird wonders of the human body. Yawning isn't just for humans. Lions, birds, and even fish yawn. Some scientists think it helps signal to the group that it's time to rest or wake up. In the Middle Ages, people believed yawning let out bad spirits. That's why saying bless you after someone yawns was once a real thing. Now, scientists are studying if yawning actually cools down the brain. Imagine a future where AI-controlled rooms adjust your environment based on a single yawn. Do you think yawning actually makes you less tired? Try it now and tell me in the comments. For more unexpected facts and futuristic ideas, subscribe to Planetary Hub and keep exploring with us.